This is the document that the DA gave us on the day I was elected the Premier. Then the DA came a day later, said they are withdrawing this document.
Ikhwele umgunya yabhajwa imkhulumiswano ye-DA ne-ANC eGauteng. Umengameli wamajaji uChief Justice Raymond Zondo ufungise isekela likaMengameli abongqongqotjhe namasekela abo bona sebangathomisa abasebenzi. Yangithokozisa bona sibuye sihlangane kodwa endabeni zesiNdebele zika5:30. Hlalele eduze uzizwe ngokuphela kwazo lotshani. Nobhala Zomelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi imfuno ze-Democratic Alliance zokufuna inkhundla ezine zabosomkhandlu azikhonakali. Umbalula uthi amachuguluko afunwa yi-DA la awatshengisa umoya wokusebenzisana.
Izolo iDA ithe ibizimisele ukukhulumisana neANC eGauteng nanyana kunokulwa ngendaba yenkhundla eyenze ukuthi imkhulumiswano ibhajwe. Unobhala Zombelele weANC ufikile Mbalula ubekhulumisana nembiki indaba namhlanje mayelana nobonobangela owenze bona undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi angakhethi amalungu esibethamthetho seGauteng.
The negotiations are not closed, and that they are still open to engagement.
uLesufi ubekwe njengondunankulu weGauteng emvekeni ezimbili edluleko. iANC ithi ukudosisana okuseGauteng akusikuhle ngoba akusizi abavoti.
This proposal was rejected by the DA with their insistence on proportionality of 5-4-1.
Wathina kaqeda ukukhethwa njengondunankulu iDA yabathumela incwadi ebatshela ukuthi bazokusebenzisana njani. Uyabeka uLesufi.
There's one thing that I really want to clear, because it's very, very important out of the deliberations that happened yesterday. This is the document that the DA gave us on the day I was elected the Premier. This document, the DA said, we are going to vote for the ANC on condition you agree to this document.
uLesufi uthi iDA ngiyo ebange irawurawule ngoba isuke yachugulula lokhu ebe ikubeke etafuleni phambili.
Then the DA came a day later, said they are withdrawing this document.
Uthi bona sebakulungele ukuraga nomsebenzi wokukhetha imphathimandla.
Zamva nje zithi Mbala kubhalile emkhulumiswaneni ye-ANC ne-DA eGauteng. Lokho ekutsho bona undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uyokumemezela abosomkhandlu bakhe namhlanje ngaphandle kwe-DA. Statement esikhutshwe yi-DA siyifakazele indaba yokuthi iDA iyokuba yihlangano ephikisayo ngokomthetho eGauteng ayizokuhlanganyela umbuso weGauteng ne-ANC. iDA ithi angeke ikhone ukugadanga imigomo yayo yenzele bona kube nokusebenzisana ne-ANC. Ekhabinetini emenyezelwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa bekhona abanye abongqongqotjhe bengakalindeleki bona baza kufumana ezinye inkhundla. Nanyana abaningi babukile ukukhethwa kwakaRonald Lamula njengongqongqotjhe wezamazwe ngamazwe, kodwa nakubathusile abaningi bona uAngie Motshekga ungqongqotjhe wezokuvikela.
Njengombana amakhetho afika adlula nje-ke sekusikhathi sokuthi umbuso wehlandla lekhomba usebenze. Inkhulu ezikhethiweko ezitsha zithembisa ukuthi ziyokubekelela phambili inkhuluphelo zamaSewula Afrika. Njengongqongqotjhe usanda ukukhetha womnyango wezokuvikela uAngie Motshekga ahlatshwe kangaka nje. uAngie Motshekga usebenze njengongqongqotjhe wezefundo iminyaka eli-15. Uthi uzibophelele ekutheni uyokuthuthukisa amahlelo waloyo amlandeleyo.
Work with the team, deal with the problems, challenges if they are there, and obviously in every department there will be challenges. Work with the team there to deal with your burning platforms, your immediate, and then on the basis of what was the predecessor will have been coming from the same party, just from the handover report, continue the implementation of that which the presidency, because it's the head of the army, and with his team and the team saying what is it that is urgent, what we need to do.
Kodwana abanye bayakhonona.
You look at someone like Angie Motshekga being appointed as the Minister of Defense. Then you ask yourself, did she fit in that position? And the fact that she's deputized by General Olomesa, I, for one, if I were to appoint a minister in that department, I would have made General Olomesa the minister, and then I could have appointed any other person then to be the deputy. But as for Mama Angie Motshekga, I don't think that she's a good fit.
Kodwana Motshekga uthi msiyena akasilijoni akazokuya ipini mphathi alo kanti yini kangaka.
I'm not a soldier, I'm not going to fight. So I'm the head of policy. I work on the basis of the policies of the governing party, working with a team of experts. So even in education, I was not teaching. I was working at the policy level. So to say I should be in the army as if I was going to be in the classroom, I was not even in the classroom then. But at least perhaps I had an understanding. But here, I really have a sense of what is important for the safety of the country.
Njengombana abongqongqotjhe abatsha namasekela wabo bafungisiwe nje sekusela umsebenzi omkhulu ukuthi baqinisekise ukuthi bayazifeza imfungo zabo zokuthembeka ebantwini beSouth Africa kunye nokulandela ukuhlonipha umthethosisekelo welizweli.
So help me God.
Thank you. Sit down. Let me sit down.
Umengameli wamajaji uChief Justice Raymond Zondo ufungise isekela likaMengameli welizwe abongqongqotjhe kunye namasekela abo ukuthi bathome ngomsebenzi wabo. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngoSondo umemezele ikhabinethi yakhe ekungehlandla lekhomba.
Do justice to all and devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and all its people. And so help me God. So help me God. Thank you.
Ngemva kokumenyezelwa kwekhabinethi ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngoSondo, iminyango yombuso nayipheleleko izokuba ma-32 kanti i-ANC ibuyele eminyangweni ema-20. Kwathi inhlangano eziphikisako eziyingxenye yombuso yebumbano zabelana ezili-12. Ihlangano ye-DA ifumene inkhundla ezili-12, IFP yafumana ezine, kwathi UDM, PA, PAC, iGood Party, iFreedom Front Plus ne-Al Jama zafumana isikhundla ngasinye. Abanye abongqongqotjhe bathi naka amaqalo ndanzabo.
The issue around pit latrines, you know, I'm going to be very much the pain for the DG in the next, you know, time, in the next while, to make sure that pit latrines are eradicated in South Africa. It cannot be that 30 years into our democracy, there are still children who are dying in pit latrines.
The talk of the town, the talk of the country about health is NHI, which has generated a lot of steam and heat around the country, and I think that's going to be my priority. But I've just heard now that there's been hacking of the National Health Laboratory Services.
Abongqongqotjhe abatsha bathi mkhulu umsebenzi obalindileko.
My first priority is to understand why is it that everybody's complaining about this department? Why is it that artists are struggling in this country? Why is it that sports people must have fundraisers while there's a department that can cater for that? Those are my first priorities. I need answers. I've asked them immediately today at 3 o'clock. I want to meet the top management so that they can answer those very difficult questions I would be posing to them.
I've been dealing with agricultural issues while I was leader of the DA. I've attended NAMPO every year to understand where the issues are in the industry, and I've obviously met with a number of farming organizations over the years on things like rural safety, infrastructure problems, and the challenges facing agriculture in South Africa.
Kanjenganje sekulindele ukuthi umengameli avule iparlamente ethulela amaSouth Africa iqalo ndanzi lombuso wehlandla lekhomba.
Abosomabhizinisi abaseGauteng bathonyekile ngokukhuthulwa kokubhadelwa kwezenzelwa zikamasipalata okuthome ngomvulo wevekele. Abathengi sebayokubhadela imali engezelelweyo yegezi. INERSA ikhuphule imali yegezi ngamaphesenti ali-12 nanyana umnotho ubokaboka kangaka.
Abambalwa bakhuphule imali yendleko yezenzelwa zabo. NjengeweGauteng obonakala uchinge khudlwana. Ngapha iNERSA ingezelele intengo yegezi.
Eskom increased electricity costs to the city by 12.9%, and therefore the city had to increase electricity to our residents by 12%.
Yela nokuthi abanikazi bamabhizinisi asebenzisa kakhulu igezi namanzi bakhuphule indleko nabo ukwenzela bona abasebenzi babo bangalahlekelwa imisebenzi. Njengobusi Nkosi ophethe ibhizinisi evasa izembatho.
Once isikhuphula ama-price ama-customer ayakhamba so ukuchaza khona ukuthi ibhizinisi yethu izokuchabalala ngaleyo ndlela so angeke sikhone ukuthi singawakhuphula ama-prices.
Bathwenyekile nabanikazi bamagaraji athengisa inkoloyi.
Some of the stock you purchased a couple of months ago before all these tariff increases, and now all of a sudden you have to sell those stock, and you can't just sit on the stock, you have to sell it at reduced prices.
Abaholi bomphakathi balila ngokuthi alona kulila abaphethe amabhizinisi bona bazokuba yini. Uthi akasakhulumike ngabogogo abahola imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende.
Siyavuma ukubhadela sali, ngiyakhuluma ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi nathi siyabhadela. Mara sifuna ukubhadela into esingazaziwo. Bebi imali eScom fanele ibhadelwe ngubani bogogo abahola umtende. No abacabange kuhle.
Amalungu yangongoyila nangokuthi nakuphele ukukhuphuka igezi kangaka kuzokuba nomthelelo omumbi ekusebenzeni kezokulima. Kubange nokukhuphuka kokudla.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook siba umbono wakho ngokukhuphuka kwentengo yezinto yezenzelwa kumasipalata. Nakumbona ukhalandela mbukeli.
Ngiyakutshela ke nabo masipala bakhuphule konke kufanele bakhuphule esichabeni. Ngiyakutshela mntane Nkosi kuyokufuneka ukuthi nemali imiholo ikhuphuke.
Hayi igezi ihlala ikhuphuka manje. Khona nje mabaqeda ukuyikhuphukisa bayothoma ke load shedding yakhona.
Ene nje vele umuntu nakathi uyothenga igezi ngisho nalanga kithi eDalmas unokuthi uyothenga igezi bathi bayakuchecka uthola ukuthi uyakolota awabayifuni imali leyo ngoba vele kuyabheda.
Inzima kakhulu le nto ngoba manje ugezi ukhuphile njengathi nje lo masipala usuthenga nge-50 rand uyenza 19 minutes manje 50 rand so 14 minutes.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthusa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kanti nasibuya Ntolo. Iyathuthuka imizamo yokufundisa ilutsha ngesintu kunye nokuziphatha ngehlonipho bazokwazi indabuko yabo. Senamukele esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Kazi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC Plus. Asirage nazo. Abashayeli benkoloyi bayokhokha umoya ngombana iyehla intengo yembaseli phakathi kobusuku banamhlanje.
Ihlangano yezembaseli ihlathulule kuhle kwanje amahlelo okuriyada kwelanga lokwehla kwembaseli. Bekufanele sithi nasivukako namhlanje ukube yehlile. Umnyango wezenji wamemezele ngokusemthethweni izolo ngesikhathi uhlela ukuthi isilinganiso sokwehla kwentengo yembaseli sakusasa.
Because of the panic, that document got really fast track in terms of its circulation in the industry. So as we speak, I think retailers who got it then had to at some point set up the pump prices.
Petrol 93 octane will decrease by 1 rand 5 cents a litre. 95 octane will decrease by 99 cents a litre. Diesel will decrease by between 22 and 30 cents a litre. Illuminating paraffin will decrease by 24 cents at retail level, and LP gas will decrease by 22 cents per kilogram.
Bayabukwa nabaphathi abasemkhakheni wezensimbi.
As important as these decreases are, they are not enough to undo years of fuel price increases, which made fuel expensive and inaccessible for many. This downfall in prices is part of the zigzag on the graph that is generally moving upwards.
Ihlangano yezembaseli ikhuthaza ukuthi kuphele kukhitshwa msinya incwadi zenlemukiso.
Intshaba ezihlukahlukene zeSouth Africa zibuthene eBrongore eMpumalanga yePitori. Ephaliswaneni lesintu lomnyanya wehlangano echochozela zamasiko, igadunga sigadange sivuselele isimilo.
bengathi lizungu lenkosi ukuvanga kwembala evunulo amalimi namasiko emnyanyeni wanonyaka nje wehlangane echochozela zamasiko igadunga sigadange egada ubanjelwe esizanani village eBrongoro ngePumalanga ePitori qobe nakuvalwa inkolo ebusika abantwana babuthelelwa ngaphasi kwehlelo lokubafundisa ngamasiko nendabuko wabo umnyaka lo bantwana bayikulungwana namakhulu abunana babuthelelwe igadunga sigadange bavele emfundeni zonke zeSouth Africa. Mnyanya wokukhethwa kwabantwana abathumbe ngobuhle bamasiko wabo lo uhlangelwe baholi bomphakathi nabakhwezeli.
Sihlangene kwaba nengoma enye yabaTswana eArkopa neNgribini ePina asihlanganeni sihlangene kube mnandi into engijabulele khulu ama province wonke ama coordinator khona sibambene siyazwana silizwe linye sikhuluma into yinye into le esiyibonako siyibona sonke iyafana okusalako bajabule khulu bathe iyakhamba ikolole iyadubula nje iyaphambili.
Sithe xa sifika apha sifunde into eninzi abantwana bethu bafundiswe isimilo apha kwigadunga sigadange bafundiswe ukusebenza isiXhosa bayatheza bayangqushiswa kubagqibelela ke ngokufundiswa ukuzenzela ezintsimbi bazinxibileyo.
Banawa mathomo gona e ba sa kwishishe mara go fihla mo labeke tše pedi re di fetša ba kwishisha gore re le maAfrika borwa re ntwete re swantse re tsebe maleme a batho ba bang le bona ba tsebe a rena.
Silahlekelwa abantwana konke nje kukhulunywa ngabantwana utshwala idakamizwa lo mnyanya lo ubabuthile imveke embili zonke bala bafana nabantu abazilileko bafunda isikhethu ichaba zonke zihlangene.
Amatlawana abasekwabo namasokana sematsha bathabile ngomnyanya lo.
Go tlogeng mathubong a kampaye ya Gadunga Sigadane ke ithutile gore o tshwanetse ngwana mongwe le mongwe a tlhomphe setso sa batho ba bangwe. Ke ithutile le ditso tse dingwe tsa batho ba bangwe go tshwana le Basotho, Batsonga, Mavenda.
Mo ke ithutile ka go hlompha batho le go tseba di setso sa batho ba bangwe go tshwana ka ge ba rutile gore re a rata re sentse re ratane ba lo ka ngatana iteng.
Inshaba zonke bezilapho zibe nomntwana othumba imali ekuliShumi zamaranda ngokuphuma phambili ngesikhabo. Mnyanya lo ulindeleke bona urage nangomnyaka ozako ngomnqopho ukukhaliphisa nokubasela abantwana bona bakhambele kude nokuthanya. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngwamahini nebrotho nobukhulu eBrongoro jubala ngePitori.
Umgwali wesindebele othuthwe ngendlela erarako emkhakheni wezokugwala ukuphothela nokungada ugogo uNosinki Sophie Mahlangu uvakatshelwe sifundiswa seUniversity yeColorado eAmerica izolo Gamorwe ebeyaziwa ngeKamal Rafiri kwaNdebele eMpumalanga ngenxa yomsebenzi wakhe emihle ayenzako. uDr David Rip ubezele nokuzokuthenga eminye yemisebenzi yezandla kagogo uNosinki.
Umlele njani wedumo ophothelweko omuhle ohanyazelako wembalabala angeze saqeda nasingaphika nokubuka owaphothelwa ngilesi sithaka semsebenzi yezandla ugogo uNosinki Mahlangu ukhambile uye ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle lapho uyokutshengiswa khona ipahla yobugwala ephothelweko ekhonjwe nguRip emsebenzini kaMahlangu iyokusetshenziswa emnyangweni wezobugwali eUniversity yaseAmerica. Akusinge kokuthoma isifundiso esisize South Africa sizokuqala ubuthaka nobugwali bamaSouth Africa.
I'm doing ongoing research. Me as a researcher, I study the art and history of South Sotho cultures. So Kibua, Sotho, Impa, Hakebua, isiNdebele. But now I find myself all the way up here just to see the spectacular artist and continue to honor her and the work that she does.
Ngumthokozisile ugogo uNosinki Mahlangu ukufikelwa zingcicicwi zeAmerica.
Qala nje uzilo wamfana ngenze imbhasikila wayeza ngominyaka enganabhasikila njenganje ufuma eAmerica ufumana kunembhasikila wabuya wathi hayi for ungikhamba ibhasikila ngiyayithatha ngiyisa kumuseum le eAmerica. Hawu ngizwe njabula ku nonke ngenhlanhla embike nangithi ngithi besizikhulala sesipakile senzeni ngithola ilimeleke kungapho-ke ngithi-ke angiyilungise bayifumana irehe nabafikako.
Umnyango wezobugwali uNkangala region bathokozile.
They are going to make a proposal to make another exhibition mhlambe somewhere in September this year, but angeke sikhulume ngayo namhlanje ngoba ayikabhala phansi.
Ekusikimeni komnyaka lo umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhloniphe ugogo noSinki ngonongorwana omkhulu iOrder of Ikhamanga in silver ngesandla sakhe esihla ekuthuthukiseni isiNdebele.
Ngezemali, iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ngezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns ibhalelene nombanduli wayo uRulani Mokoena. Indaba ziqinisekiswe namhlanje. uManqoba Mgqithi nguye ozoba umbanduli wesikhatshana.
Sizifumene kamnandi indaba Thandeka Sithokozile. Lotshani mbukele ekhaya ngelesithathu akhe sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sibona lapha ke izulu elikhulu elinamandla ngale ngeCape Town nge80% nawuthi uyangenelela nesifunda sangaleke ngeTshingalanga Kapa liba yi60 ngapha ke ngePumalanga Kapa ulifumane ke nge 30%. Kuthi ke lapha endaweni eziningi ngapha ngeSouth Africa kunomoya livulile. Ke sicaleke ukuthi kunjani ke kusasa sibona lapha ke izulu lithi 60% ngale ngeCape Town kuthi ke kube nekungu kezinye indawo ngapha ke ngendaweni zangePumalanga Kapa ulithole godi ngamathuba linganiselwa ku30%. Sithole lapha isilemukiso ngobusuku sibona lapha umoya onamandla ngale ke ngeCape Town kuthi ke kusasa umoya lo yake ubangibona ilwandle libe bukhalihle siyasuduka ubone ukuthi anjani amazinga okuchisa iGauteng ibonakala lapha ke iMakhaza ekseni nebusuku libuya nganeno ke Bronkhortspruit nalapha ePitori kodwa ke abantu bambathe bafuthumela iFerrenache nge18 ngemva kwamadina iLimpopo bonakala ke ichisa ke yona endaweni eziningi kuyarara iPhalabhuru nge33 neMusina kuthi ke ezinye indawo nokho ke libuye nganeno ukufuthumele sifunda sangeLimpopo sifuthumele iMpumalanga ke yona ke ifuthumele lapha eGarlina neMbombela isikhukhuza iyachisa endaweni eziningi sibona lapha ke kuMakhaza nangemva kwamadina lapho eMalahleni iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala ifuthumele ipholile ngezinye indawo kodwa nikokustadi Makhaza imini yonke nangemva kwamadina iPumalanga Kapa sibonile ke kunomoya Makhaza ochidelako abantu bambathe bafuthumele khulukhulu lapha ke eKomani nangemva kwamadina lisatholakala lapha nge13 lapha ke eWestern Cape siyabona ke ukuthi kuMakhaza njengoba sibonile nje abantu bambathe bafuthumele ubusika bona ke busesekhona ukuthi ke ezinye indawo eziningi kupholila sibona ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Indaba ezikhona kusasa ngelimi leSiswati ngesikhathi esifanako ukuthula kwaNesithaba seNkosi.